Now here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, after some heavier rain this morning, most of us just stuck with some drizzle and mist, and that'll be pretty much the story throughout the afternoon. We take you right now to live Pinpoint Doppler 12, and a few specks of green here and there. That's pretty much it. In terms of how much rain has fallen, well, you can see the darker blues representing where some of the heavier rainfall was. Most spots averaging between about 1/4 and 1/2 inch of rain. You can see about 1/3 of an inch towards Woonsocket. Newport, about 1/3 of an inch of rain, and it does get a little bit heavier as we work into eastern Massachusetts along 195, closer to about 1/2 an inch of rain there. In the meantime, we check out those current temperatures. Low 60s in northern Rhode Island, 66 right now in Westerly. We're 64 in Newport, 64 New Bedford, and 64 right now in Taunton. Satellite picture is an interesting one because most of the rain from this morning is long gone. You can see all the heavy stuff racing out to the northeast. Behind it, a moist flow develops. That's why we will be stuck with some of the drizzle and the mist. Here's another look at the cloud cover, and notice a few spots of clearing here down to our south. Some of this clearing may pass over southeastern Massachusetts today, so I can't completely rule out a little bit of sunshine, but all in all, we'll average mostly cloudy skies. We can track the rain for you hour by hour. Just keep your eye on the clock right here. I'm actually going to fast forward this all the way through tonight, early tomorrow morning, because round 2 of rain is on the way. Some of this could be heavy, anywhere between about 1 inch and 2 inches of rain is possible. You can see by tomorrow afternoon, 2 o'clock, we're inundated with all the green. So it's really tomorrow where the heavier rain will fall. As for today, here's your temperature graph. You can see upper 60s, the general rule, as we get into the later part of the afternoon. 68 by 4 o'clock, by 5 p.m. 67, down to about 65 degrees by 6 p.m. And again, a little bit of drizzle, mist, and even a few breaks of sunshine are possible, but those will be the exception rather than the rule. Mid-60s, the general rule here across the South Shore. 64 Charlestown, Newport 67 degrees, Wickford 67, and Westerly at 68. Those winds out of the northeast between about 5 and 12 miles an hour. That is a cool flow for us, especially across the eastern coast of Massachusetts. For northern Rhode Island, upper 60s, 68 in Burrillville, 67 Cumberland, 68 in Johnston, Foster 65 degrees, and 67 in Scituate. And for eastern Massachusetts, mostly cloudy. A few breaks of sunshine here and there are possible. Upper 60s, the general rule, 68 in Taunton, 69 in New Bedford, and again, there will be some spotty drizzle and mist out there. From Middletown down to Little Compton, we're talking about temperatures in the upper 60s with 68 in Seekonk. Not a great day to be out on the water, that's for sure. Visibility not very good, about 1 mile. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Low tide coming up at about 2:50 in the afternoon. So here's that 7-day Futurecast, and you can see tomorrow is actually warmer, and you're probably wondering why it's warmer when I have all those raindrops there. Well, we'll see some tropical-like characteristics, so when it's not raining, it'll actually be pretty warm and humid. And then this weekend is completely different. Notice quite windy but dry. 68 on Saturday, partly cloudy, 64 on Sunday, so definitely a brisk fall-like forecast for this weekend, and then the chance of showers as we go into the middle of next week.